Is it time to buy or sell IONQ stock? In this video, we will explore IONQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the second day of October 2024, our system has ranked IONQ as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 169.57% since we first recommended buying IONQ 28 days ago. This translates to an average return of 6.06% per day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are currently unable to determine this next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has surpassed a notably wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should any pullback occur, there will be support at the level of $19.46, a point that may present a second opportunity for profit. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we observe a potential change of 152.42% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 53.63% to 98.09%. In contrast, the 12-month trend indicates a negative change of 8.54% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 78.96% and negative 8.54%. This range suggests a price between $5.22 and $22.68 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for IONQ includes the headline, High volatility in IONQ Inc. stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $24.80. The IONQ Inc. stock price gained 12.17% on the last trading day, Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, rising from $22.11 to $24.80. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to climb or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 20.51%, with a low of $21.31 and a high of $25.68. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 46.23% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 63 million shares traded for approximately $1.57 billion. You should consider that declining volume alongside rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $25.68, while the lowest was $6.23. Currently, the price is 3.43%, or 88 cents, below the 52-week high, and 30.92%, or $11.10, below the all-time high on November 18, 2021, when the price reached $35.90. IONQ stock has experienced a remarkable surge, recently reaching $22.30, its highest point since November 2021. This growth is attributed to a strong performance in the third quarter and a strategic partnership with ANSYS. This collaboration aims to integrate quantum computing technology into the computer-aided engineering sector, which is valued at $10 billion. By accelerating simulation processes and product development timelines, this partnership could significantly enhance market responsiveness, positively affecting IONQ's growth prospects. The company reported a quarterly loss of 24 cents per share, slightly below the consensus estimate, although its revenue surpassed expectations. Analysts remain optimistic, suggesting the stock could potentially retest $36 if momentum continues. The recent increase of 112% in October underscores strong investor interest and market confidence, indicating the potential for sustained growth. In the short term, this excitement may lead to increased volatility as investors respond to news and market sentiment. In the long term, the successful execution of its strategies and partnerships will be crucial for IONQ's valuation, especially as quantum computing becomes an increasingly vital technology across various industries. Overall, IONQ appears well-positioned for growth as it navigates this evolving landscape, making it an intriguing option for investors. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Zacks Investment Research assigned IONQ a perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham rated IONQ as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned a buy rating to IONQ with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham rated IONQ with a buy and a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 16th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham provided IONQ with a buy rating and a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned IONQ stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IONQ. The IONQ Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support may be found at $17.57 and $12.74. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 72.7%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, it is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, this stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 40 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 44 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 29 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for IONQ. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.11. Without any support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below this support might result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is prone to substantial movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band analysis reveals a very large prediction interval, categorizing this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.37 between its high and low, equating to a change of 20.51%. Throughout the past week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 15.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IONQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on February 26, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IONQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume to decide when to exit. On the downside, IONQ encounters its first support level at $22.11. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IONQ from various analyst sources is categorized as a sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were carried out by Alameddin Rima, who bought and sold a total of 56,125 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 3.02. In summary, insiders purchased 5,298,929 shares and sold 15,493,149 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.07, which reflects a decline of 2.94%. This stock exhibits very high daily movements, contributing to a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, which considerably heightens the risk factor. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is IONQ stock a good buy? IONQ Inc. holds several positive signals. However, we believe these are not sufficient to label it as a buy candidate. At this moment, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate IONQ to open down by 87 cents, starting at $23.93. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.